Welcome to Market Peeker. Stock market heat maps are a visual way to quickly understand market performance. Let's break down how to read them and use them effectively in your trading. What is a heat map? A stock market heat map shows the performance of stocks, sectors, or indices using color-coded blocks. Green blocks indicate stocks or sectors gaining value. Red blocks show stocks or sectors losing value. Size of blocks represents market capitalization or trading volume. Larger blocks highlight bigger players. How to use a heat map. Spot trends. Quickly identify which sectors, like tech, healthcare, or energy, are leading or lagging. Sector rotation. Use heat maps to see where money is flowing and adjust your strategy accordingly. Identify opportunities. Find undervalued or overperforming stocks at a glance. Pro tip. Use heat maps with other tools like technical indicators or market news to confirm your insights before making trades.